is bad food, where we recreate food and recipes that are never actually meant for the light of day. We are going to go way back in the time machine to 1952, a dusty page in Good Housekeeping, where we are introduced to the ghoulish delight, which is pie plate salad. So, all aboard for the fiery seas of culinary adventure. It's pretty simple and it's going to be a pretty quick recipe. The most time you're going to spend is the setup time. So today we have lemon Jello. Jello brand name or just great value or any value lemon gelatin dessert. I don't know if I'm going to need one or two. I'm just guesstimating here. I usually cook things by the seat of my pants like I used to do back in the professional kitchen, but here I am on my own. Also, we have from 1926 to today, Allen's Veg-All, potatoes, green beans, peas, corn, carrots. What else could you want? What could a growing body want? So this is going to make up the main body, just these two ingredients right here. So for that, you're going to need, for both those packages, which I'm going to make, just to make sure I have enough, as I said earlier, we're going to do 2 cups of cold water, and then we'll do 2 cups of boiling water, which is out in the kitchen right now. So for the garnish, we got some tartar sauce, some pimentos, and some lettuce is the underlayment. So this will be the subfloor for your hideous monstrosity that's going to come out of this Pyrex pie dish. Now I want to make a disclaimer right now, is when you go and look at all these old recipes, it has them scooping it perfectly out of the pie dish on it. It ain't gonna happen. I mean, it's just not structurally sound for as much product that you're gonna have following the instructions. It's all gonna go into this 9.5 inch Pyrex pie dish. If you have any suggestions or were successful at any time with this, you know, leave me a comment below. And before we get into the mixing, real quick, please hit that bell and subscribe. Let's get to making pie plate salad. So in one bowl, we're gonna take two, whichever way it works, packets of lemon flavored gel, lemon. So you think that you would kind of want something unflavored if you were going with mixed veg, because let's face it, lemon with mixed veg, I just don't see it, right? But hey, who am I? If you think this is a good combination, leave your comment below. And while you're at it, if you like what I'm doing, please hit subscribe and smash that big bell up there to let you know whenever I have a new video on. It smells so citrusy in here. So we're gonna dump this off. So Jell-O, was all the rage in late 40s, early 50s, and the 60s. Post-war America, where domestic homemakers were, filing for dominance over their neighbors and who is the best cook and all that jazz, a little bit of friendly neighbor competition. So I guess I should bring this over here real quick. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the Veg-All and I'm just gonna put it in this plate like so. Just like that. How good. Jell-O is actually, commercial brand of aspic, which is collagen, which is cooked down from bones or fatty tissue, connective tissues, skin and things like that. I'm trying to put it delicately. I'm trying to save your feelings. So I have all this there. So the Romans started doing it way back in the day, and now it became the rage because you could make it look so many different ways. But out of that, it's not whether you could, you should ask yourself if you should. So I got my mixed veg into the pie plate, moving it over here, bring it over here. Now I'm gonna do 2 cups of boiling water. Now, just keep in mind when you're making stuff that measuring cups are approximate. They're not exact. So even though you have a cup, you either got a little bit over a cup or a little bit under a cup. And that's why I say eyeball it when it comes to a lot of things. Even scientific beakers are oftentimes approximate and not exact. It smells like lemon pledge. Whisk this up until it's all nice and dissolved. Hopefully there's no steam getting on the lens of the camera there. And hopefully I'm not moving the camera too much around, but still a little bit of stuff on the bottom. I'm going to keep mixing up here. Sorry, I didn't mean to have you off center. I was trying to keep you from getting steamed. So just get that here. So this looks pretty good. It does. It smells just like lemon pledge. Oh my God, this is going to be horrible. So then we take 2 cups of cold water and we add it into the mixture. And once again, we stir it up. Oh, so good. It's so good for you. No, don't. All right, here we go. So we have this. This is how simple this is. I mean, we're going to be done in a flash. Oh. This is like a crime against nature. Are they supposed to float? I guess they are. I guess that's like... Oh, isn't it? Oh my God. So that's just a bunch of mixed veg floating in some lemon jello. Yes. Now we have to wait 4 hours till this sets up in the refrigerator. You could do a quick set method by, putting this into like an ice bath, but do you really want to take that much time and effort? So, it's been 4 hours since our pie plate salad hit the chill chest. And we are left with this jiggly monstrosity. The smell is not so lemony now. It's more like canned asparagus, slightly urine-y smell. It's definitely something you'd have to experience on your own. We're gonna get to plating this up. So I took a plate and put it with some salad leaves. So we're gonna garnish this with tartar sauce, or you could use salad dressing, but tartar sauce was the first recommended thing in the dessert. And pimentos, and then I got no mid-century American creation would be served without a little garnish of curly leaf parsley and a lemon twist. Let's come over here and let's get this, and then I'll taste it. Honest to God, I'm not looking forward to tasting this thing. So let's cut into this bad boy. So I'm just gonna. Oh, it's so firm. It's like I said, it's dragging a little bit. I told you we're not going to get a perfect slice out of this. It's just the physics of it does not lend itself to it. However, I might be totally surprised. I even greased this plate a little bit before I started this little venture. So we're gonna make sure there's enough cuts here so the entire family can enjoy it. However, I have a feeling like I'm going to be the unfortunate son to do this. So here we go. I think I've... oh look, it's little corn. It got little corny got loose. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to aim for this section right here. So I'm trying to be as gentle as possible. Get it. See, it's splitting, right? But I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna work this bad boy till I can get a little bit more. Oh, I think I got it. This don't look like the magazine. Alright, let's try that again. Maybe if I go into it from the side here, now that I got some veg like moved out. No, the same thing is not working. So here we go. Oh. Yeah, somehow that looks nothing like the article in the magazine. So I'm just gonna go for a, I don't know, I guess a nest. So, let's make sure we get, it looks so delicious. Look at it. Alright, can I slide in the other side and like grab one? No, it ain't happening. Alright, so we're gonna take it, we're gonna go. So I'm gonna leave you on a little pro tip of professional kitchens, especially high-end kitchens and stuff like that. When it comes out and it's got the little squiggly sauce line on it, it's not that it was inherently difficult to do. It's just the quickest way we can make it look half decent and put it out in front of you as fast as possible. So we're just gonna do a little, ooh, this is a little thick. This is a little thick. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh, so good. So good. Alright, let me grab our little garnish here. Let me just go to the other side of the plate and do that. And then I had some pimento, so there's an extra long pimento. And for those of you guys that don't know what kind of animal pimento is, it is a pepper. And a piquant pepper. So I'm just gonna take a little naughty knot of that, and oh look, it's so beautiful. For complete disclosure, it's been about 10 minutes because I really had to work myself up to this. I really I'm not even gonna go into just can. I'm just gonna get into this and. Oh look, salad. Oh, it's so. Let me get some of that. Let me get some corn. Alright, let me get some corn. It's like urine vinegar smell. Oh. I'm a pretty adventurous eater, being a chef and just growing up and loving food and stuff like that, but that is like chunky lemonade with tartar sauce over the top. This is quite possibly. Yeah, you know what? I mean, I'll be honest with you. If I could eat it, I would be like, I would tell you truthfully, yeah, this ain't so bad. You know, it's better than it looked. But this is absolutely horrific. Probably the worst thing that I ever ate as far as a gelatin product. I mean, it's in the tartar sauce caught at the top of my mouth, and it's just so the sugar of the Jell-o. Of course, you can't taste the vegetables at all, but that smell from the vegetables, that kind of off smell, you know, that canned asparagus-y smell. And I love asparagus, but you know what I'm talking about. It just, You know, one thing is for sure certain that we proved tonight that I know the CIA started their mass hallucinogenics program in the 60s. Well, we know that's not true. It started in the early 50s with the research and development lab over at Allen's Food, because this is just absolutely the most god-awful thing ever. This one, on a scale of 1 to 10, rates an 8. This has been Pie Plate Salad. I'm Matt Miller. Please subscribe. Thanks.